never, ever, ever going to be hard just to smile. Well, I'm back with another tutorial. It's my Flexi Rod set. I use my cousin's product, Asha Christina Natural and Me Curly Aloe Vera Butter. And I use this and a little bit of water to make sure my ends are smooth, and that's about it. So I'm taking a section of my hair, spritzed it with water, and I only spritz the end. So then I'm adding some product, smoothing it out, and then I brush it out. I grab a Flexi Rod and then I twist it around the Flexi Rod all the way to the end, making sure that the ends of my hair is smooth, and then I twist it. So that side is finished. So like I say, I'm sectioning off my hair. And my hair right now is in a stretch state. I washed it and conditioned it, and I left it in 2 buns to dry. So that's me adding the product, smoothing it out, and then I'm brushing it. I need to find me a little brush because that brush is way too big. And then here I'm twisting it around the Flexi Rod all the way to the ends, and then I twist it. Make sure that's tight and secure, and do another section. Same thing, spritz the ends with water, add product, smooth out, and then I brush it out. Brushing all those knots out, the ends, making sure everything is nice and detangled. Yeah, that's me dancing. Again, I'm twisting it around the Flexi Rod. I really don't have a way I twist it. I just twist it on top of each other, and that's it. It's the last 2 of that one side, and then same thing, spritz the water, add product, smooth my hair out, detangle with a brush, and then wrap around the Flexi Rod. And I'm going to speed up this section because, well, nobody wants an hour-long video. So I tied it down last night, and let's see how it looks.
I love this scarf. It's the prettiest colors and it has butterflies. I don't know if you can see it.
So this is what it looks like, and it's dry because it wasn't all that wet last night when I put them in. It's just the ends that was wet. So let's see what they look like. I think I'm gonna start from the back. Oh, it looks cute. soft. I'm so excited. I can't wait till they all come out. I was taking a shower and I was scared that the back would get wet again, but it didn't get wet. I'm being very careful because my hair tends to get frizzy really easy. So I'm gonna take my time. And I use these short ones because I don't have the long ones. And I got these off Amazon. I think they were like $5. And I got 6 different sizes. I got it off Amazon. And this is the biggest size. So I use that in the back. Oh, they look so cute. Okay, take your time. Take your time. Ah, they're so cute. Ah, look at that. Take your time. Ah, so cute. I'm scared to lose them out. They're so cute. My hair feels so soft. These curls are to die for. The last one, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Okay, I'm not gonna loose it out. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. But today, I'm gonna just put something over it like this. And this is how I'm gonna wear it today. Just gonna leave all my curls like this today. And then tomorrow I'm gonna lose them out. Bye, smiles. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in another video.